These days were quite overwhelming. I felt exhausted, and my mom kept saying me, "You know what, take care of yourself. I do feel that you might fall sick." And then, in the next few days, boom, I had UTI infection and had terrible pain and fever as well. Moms do have the telepathy or intuition feeling in them. They can somehow just sense it all. All I wanted was then to go back to my mom. Yes, I am a 30-year-old and I'm not ashamed at all to admit that I am much more dependent in my mom, so much emotionally. At least when my health deteriorated, I miss the comforting presence of my mom beside me. It's not like my husband doesn't care about me, it's more like I find the amount of comfort that I want in my mom only. I took few days off because I was not feeling well at all and I could not take myself to work anymore because I needed the amount of rest so much. And in those days, I and my husband spent a lot of time planting trees, taking care of our plants. Most of the plants are indoor plants because we do not have the space and we are in a rented apartment. So we are having a lot more of indoor plants, which we take care of a lot, like our little babies. This is just boiled soybeans. I love boiled soybeans. I remember I used to be a voracious reader, an avid reader, you say, but these days I am not even reading a single page out of book. So I'm simply just buying and collecting books and I'm not spending much time reading them. So I consciously take this decision to sit for hours together to complete even one page or two page or maybe three pages, few pages out of a book. I'm not use mobile phones and I have also locked myself out from the social media to be able to concentrate more on reading and being productive in terms of my own studies and preparation, because I definitely feel that I preach the idea of not being so much addicted to the phone and social media sites, but I am myself lacking in it. And that is also a reason why I want to completely log out from Instagram and everything. And these days a lot more of things are actually the state is getting very vulnerable situation. So I don't want to participate in each and every debate and somehow I don't have the control of it, so I completely log out of the social media sites. I also feel that making YouTube videos and uploading it, it is a safe place for me where I like to connect with people who are like minded and I like people who watch my videos. So, as I had UTI, and as because I have a loving husband and he cannot see me in such amount of pain, he took me to our home and I felt relaxed the moment I entered the home. where my mom was cooking fish for me, although she was not feeling well. Well, she was asked to not do so, but guess what? Mothers don't listen to their kids or to their husbands as well. I feel that I need breaks every now and then after exhausting working days, traveling by bus for 2 hours every single day. And I know it might sound like I'm complaining or ranting about it, but this is my safe space where I come and just share my happiness, despondency, problems that I face with you all, as you all are truly kind enough to understand things and also console me through the comment section. That's truly, truly lovely and beautiful. I also love the way the comment section connects us through tough days of our life. You share your experiences, I share my experiences, and we kind of build a connection with each other. I feel humbled, grateful, and I have a lot more of gratitude when I come back to my home. We have a very tiny little cottage like home in our village. We have a huge, huge garden and a huge baranda as well. And I love to spend so much time over here. And there are a lot more of construction that is needed to this particular house. And one day, when I'll be able to earn a certain amount of money, being a permanent assistant professor or something, a permanent government job, I have a lot more of aspirations to change this entire kitchen, this entire bedroom, everything, and I will do that. And yeah, meet my little bhanja. This is my kiddo, and I love this cutie a lot. This is the beauty of spending time at your home when you instantly come and then you instantly start feeling well about everything, where you are spending time with your family members, with the nature aside, and just relaxing and getting to eat all the good food by your in-laws. My mother-in-law is also a very sweet person who cooks a lot of good food for me, and she never complains that I am not participating in the cooking as much, but we have built a very good connection with each other. She has a complaint every time that Manisha kichi nahi khai aur kichi nahi khai kaana kaise ye kichi nahi khai. She keeps on saying that because she is completely frustrated that I don't eat vegetables enough like my mother is frustrated. So yeah, both my mothers take care of me a lot more, um, and I'm truly, truly grateful. Eat.
Papa,
Hmm.
I'm listening and Mimi,
Oh,
listening.
eating muri. Khao, 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 khao. Oh, oh.